Okay, this is probably one of the most beautiful patterned kings I've ever found. Not striped, not banded, just a gorgeous highway morphin. You were just a sweetie. Okay, we're gonna put you back. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, that's one we don't see very often. A baby ringneck snake. Hi, bud. Oh, a rattlesnake. Sleep. Man, a second one with a super unique coloration. Hey, bud. Look how beautiful you are. My goodness. I think I found your buddy a little while ago. Okay, let's put you back. I was just about to flip this board, and then I looked right behind it. Look at that big old rattlesnake. Just sitting there. Oh, look at that. Little tiny baby king. Oh, a rattlesnake. That's... Oh, a little night snake. Oh man, first one of the year. Oh, look at that little guy's ready to shed. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. What a cutie. I do this for daily. Look at that thing. Oh my goodness, what a day. Look at you, beautiful. Look at you, beautiful. All right. So that is the third king snake today with a crazy looking pattern. Look at that. Hey, bub. Ha. Yeah, even bigger gopher. Hey, beautiful. Oh my goodness. All right, let's put you back.